The McKinsey 7S framework for business alignment. Successful businesses understand that strategy alone isn't enough to drive sustainable growth. To achieve true business alignment, organizations must consider multiple interconnected elements. The McKinsey 7S framework is a strategic model that helps businesses assess and align key organizational factors for optimal performance. In this lesson, we'll explore each component of the 7S framework and how it influences organizational design. What is the McKinsey 7S framework? Developed by McKinsey & Company, the 7S framework consists of 7 key elements that shape an organization. These elements are divided into 2 categories: hard elements, tangible and easy to define, strategy, structure, and systems. Soft elements, intangible and influenced by company culture, shared values, skills, style, and staff. When these elements are aligned, businesses achieve greater efficiency, adaptability, and competitive advantage. The 7 elements of the 7S framework. 1. Strategy. The organization's plan for achieving competitive advantage defines business goals, market positioning, and long-term direction. Requires alignment with internal capabilities and external opportunities. Example, Amazon's strategy focuses on innovation, logistics, and customer centricity. 2. Structure. The way an organization is arranged determines hierarchy, reporting lines, and decision-making processes. Can be hierarchical, matrix-based, or networked, depending on the business model. Example, Google's hybrid structure balances flexibility and centralized leadership. 3. Systems, processes, and procedures that drive operations. Includes financial management, performance tracking, and IT infrastructure. Well-designed systems support efficiency and scalability. Example, Tesla's automated production systems improve speed and quality control. Hashtag 4. Shared values, the core beliefs that shape company culture. Acts as the foundation for decision-making and employee behavior. Strong values create a unified corporate identity and drive engagement. Example, Patagonia's commitment to sustainability influences its business practices. 5. Skills, the competencies and expertise within the workforce. A company's competitive strength is determined by employee skills and knowledge. Organizations must invest in upskilling and continuous learning. Example, Apple prioritizes design and engineering skills for product innovation. Next 6. Style, leadership and management approach. Leadership influences company culture, communication, and decision-making. Different styles, authoritative, transformational, servant leadership, shape employee engagement. Example, Microsoft shifted from a hierarchical leadership style to a growth mindset under Satya Nadella. 7. Staff, the people who make up the organization. Covers hiring, retention, training, and workforce planning. A well-structured staff strategy aligns talent with company goals. Example, Netflix hires for a culture of innovation, emphasizing accountability and autonomy, applying the 7S framework to organizational design. 1. Assess alignment. Identify gaps between strategy, structure, and other elements. Conduct employee feedback sessions and performance audits. 2. Prioritize change areas. Focus on elements that need improvement, e.g., restructuring teams or updating systems. Ensure shared values remain the guiding force for changes. 3. Develop an action plan. Redesign workflows and introduce new leadership models if needed. Implement technology solutions to enhance operations. 4. Monitor and adapt. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of changes. Be flexible in adapting to market shifts and internal needs. Case studies. McKinsey 7S in action. 1. IBM's transformation. Strategy shift from hardware to cloud computing services. Adjusted structure and systems to support innovation. Starbucks cultural consistency. Strong shared values drive customer experience and brand loyalty. Consistent leadership style and skills development reinforce alignment. 3. Nike's agile business model. Rapid adaptation to industry trends while maintaining core values. focused on digital transformation and customer centricity. Final thoughts. The McKinsey 7S framework provides a holistic approach to business alignment by ensuring that all critical elements work together. By regularly assessing and refining strategy, structure, systems, and culture, organizations can build a resilient and adaptable framework for long-term success. In the next lesson, we will explore how leadership models influence organizational structure and decision-making.